Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add assignee in Quire. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click on a task, and when you're going to be here, you're going to see add assignee. And you just simply add here the person, and you just add him. Of course, this is a personal task, but this is how we do it. So we click on it, add assignee. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.